撃をした人間。
It's your reflection, you idiot! Skipoo! Skipoo!
Hi! Hi, cutie butt! I can't deal with you.
Hazel, no! Oh. To you too.
Just realized I've had Ruger for 5 years and Lola for 12, and I've never told them my name.
My name's Taylor.
Do you understand?
Good job, Lucy.
This owl just woke up from anesthesia, and so to put the birds back, you have to still make sure that you stay safe as you replace the bird back into its kennel. So main areas that we need to be careful of are the wings and the beak and the talons. So to safely return them to the kennel, and so they don't hurt themselves or you, what you want to do is secure the wings with your hand, have the face pointing away from you so they don't fly backwards out of the kennel, and then you want to put their feet flat on the ground. So we're going to put the feet flat on the ground, facing forward, and then a little plonk.
Oh.
You're gonna come back? Hey, you alright? You're not used to the... There we go. Hi.
These boots aren't made for walking.
There we go. You'll learn how to walk in them. Welcome back.